Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel with new video. In this video, we will learn how we can open on-screen keyboard on your computer, your laptop. Okay, how can we do this? So we can use shortcut key, and we can see here that on-screen keyboard will be appear on our screen. Okay, so what is the shortcut key we can use, and we can see the on screen keyboard. Okay, so I will tell you the shortcut key. The shortcut key is just press control window plus O. This one you can see here. I have just pressed control window and O, control plus window plus O. Three keys I pressed, and on screen I can see the keyboard, and we can utilize this keyboard in our documents easily. So I think this video is very helpful for you. Share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like, comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay blessed.